To transfer data and move everything from your old phone to OPPO Find X9 Pro, what you can do is you can use the Clone Phone app, which you should have pre-installed on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. If your previous phone is, for example, OPPO or OnePlus or Realme, then most likely you also have this app on your previous device. On the other hand, if you have any other phone, including like any other Android or iPhone, then in that case you need to go to the Play Store and we need to search for the Clone Phone app. So let me quickly type it over here and make sure that you download the correct one, which is this one, OPPO Clone Phone, made by Color OS. Make sure that you install this app over here. So we're gonna go to the Clone Phone app. Over here we want to select that this is the new device on our OPPO Find X9 Pro, and we need to grant some permissions. So let's do that. Now in here we need to choose where we migrate our data from. So in my case it is another Android other than these three listed over here. So I'm gonna choose other Android, and over here we have the instructions to install the app, and we have this QR code that we can scan on our previous device. So we can tap over here on this button and we can scan the QR code quite easily. If needed, we also have connect manually option. You should also have it on your previous device as well. So if there is no connection happening, if you cannot for some reason connect to your OPPO Find X9 Pro, then of course you can choose to connect manually. So let me actually demonstrate to you how it looks like. I'm gonna stop the migration over here. We're gonna tap connect manually over here and in here as well. And we have the hotspot created by OPPO Find X9 Pro, and on our previous device we need to connect to it. So we're gonna choose connect. We will jump to Wi-Fi settings. If not, then of course you want to go to Wi-Fi settings, find the network that is named as it is written over here, and then we can enter the password. And once the connection happens, as you can see now I'm actually connecting, so I'm gonna go back to the app. There we go. Now we can choose which what data should be transferred. Of course, we have to confirm that we know that if we uncheck something, then the data cannot be transferred. And you can transfer pretty much everything like contacts, media files, and apps, and so on and so forth. In my case, I'm just gonna transfer multimedia files. In your case, you probably want to transfer everything. Then we have the summary, and once again, we can check which data we want to specifically transfer, and I'm gonna just tap next over here, tap on this box that you understand the content of this data. So here you can see the data that will not be transferred, and then let's start the migration. And there we go, we are now sending files. Of course, if you have lots of files to move, then it will take quite some time, and you just have to be patient until the transfer is completely done. Once the transfer is done, you will have the summary on your OPPO Find X9 Pro, so you can see which files have been moved and which files have not been moved. So in some cases, some files might not be transferred for some reason. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.